Have you ever had the thought of just getting something and then slapping a rocket onto it? And I have this little Hot Wheels car here. If it would just focus on the car, not me. Come on, look at the car. There you go. I have this little Hot Wheels car. I also got these small model rocket engines. So what I'm going to do is basically just get the Hot Wheels. We're going to stick a model rocket engine onto it and then somehow make a little course for it or whatever it's going to be and see how fast this thing goes. So it's going to look something like that. Just a car with a huge freaking rocket on top of it. So we're going to head over to the shop and see what happens. I'm excited for this because I've wanted to just strap a rocket onto it. A couple things, maybe not the best ideas, but this one's pretty good, so enjoy the video. So we're here in the workshop and we got our car and we got our rocket as well. Now this build is going to be pretty technical, so let me share with you the tool we're going to be using. Hot glue gun, that's right. It's very technical. We're going to be putting some hot glue on top of the car and then we're going to get our rocket. We're basically going to go boom, just like that. And then we will have a car that is powered by a rocket. Who knows how fast it's going to go, 200 miles an hour. We'll see. Let's go. Alright, there we go. Check this thing out, guys. This is going to fly. Alright, let's go make a track. So this is the pipe I'm thinking of using. It's got a smooth wall on the inside, and I'll see how that goes. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be perfect, and the car can go right through this. Whee! So here's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna have the car come out of this pipe, and that's where I'm gonna get that cool thumbnail shot of the car launching through the air. We're gonna do our best to try and get it. And then when it comes out, it might go to the right, left, up, or down. I don't really know. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this 6-inch pipe, which is also smooth on the inside, and we're gonna put it on the receiving end where the car is gonna come towards. That way it has a larger area that it could actually go into. Because if I matched it with a similar size, there's a small chance that it'd actually get to the next pipe. So it's going to jump from this one into the next. So we're going to see how that works. Alright, so the beginning is over there. It comes down here. That's where we're going to get the cool thumbnail shot. And then it goes through this pipe. And at the end, I put a barrel. And what we're going to do is we're going to put some water inside the barrel and cover it with like a tarp or something, so when the rocket goes in there, if it's still burning, it's not going to go anywhere. Alright, so we got the fuse in there. Now we put in this little plug. We got our little fuse box. Alright, wish me luck. 3, 2, 1, launch. Something isn't right. It appears the fuse is bad. Alright, this one better work. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. That was crazy! Oh my gosh. Well, good thing I put this here because it went completely nuts. GoPro still recording. Where's the rocket? Towel got burnt. Oh, this one got real burnt. Look at that. Oh my god, the car's on the ground. It came out. Oh my god, it survived. Look at that. So I thought that was pretty insane. So we're gonna go ahead and do it again. All right, round 2. We got the next car. And another reason I want to do it again is because I didn't get the thumbnail. The camera, the shutter speed was like 1/500th, which apparently is not fast enough. So I'm gonna turn it up all the way so we can get that thumbnail shot, which you guys probably saw when you clicked on this video. So let's do it again. We're about to do it again. But I want to mention, this is what I did for a little bit extra safety precaution. I wet the towels this time, so hopefully they're heavier and it might not blow out this time. And we're gonna do the same course. This time, I borrowed this camera for this video, but this time, right there's the shutter speed, 1/8000th. So hopefully that's enough to catch the car in slow motion for the thumbnail, so we'll see. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's try it again. 3, 2, 1, go. It's always kind of freaky grabbing it out when the fuse didn't go off. It's like, is it about to go off? Alright, this is our last fuse. This better work. 2, 1, go. Alright, there we go. Look at that. Hopefully we got it this time. Let's see, I put some extra layers on here just in case. I didn't want that car escaping. GoPro survived. That's good. Okay, let's dump this out. All right, there's the car. Again, it survived. That was freaking crazy. Wow. All right, guys, so we got back, and here's the car. It did survive. It did get a couple scratches, but honestly, not a big deal. It was pretty crazy, though, when that thing took off. It's pretty loud, and I was not sure if it was going to actually stay in the barrel at the end, and then it might come out and like fly and hit a window or something. I don't know. So that's why 2 times, that's enough. I almost got the thumbnail I wanted. I was picturing the car like perfectly crystal clear, but apparently you need to take it faster for shutter speed. It needs to be faster than like 1/8000th of a second, which is what the camera was filming at, and it's still blur, as you can see on the thumbnail. But that is the end of today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you want, you can follow me on Instagram as well. I'll leave a link in the description. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.